Just taking a peek at a 2013 Nissan Leaf. Something I didn't realize they had, that the Tesla Model S must get. Alright, the Tesla's already got a backup camera. We all know that. But the Leaf's got four-sided surrounding camera. And it is extremely insane. The way it's designed, it actually looks like you're getting an overhead view from above the car. And while it is distorted image a little bit, it's extremely accurate. That is a must for the Model S. Even as a retrofit, I would drop the money for that immediately. Oh, and of course, forward-facing camera and a rear-facing camera, and left side and right side.
Worst spot.